the 2017 Chevrolet Malibu. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is waiting for you to take home. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a tachometer, an outside temperature display, fully automatic headlights, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.